Hey class, how are you? I hope you had an okay spring break. I'm sure it wasn't wonderful. I am going to show you a little bit about the plan for Monday, tomorrow. So the first hour, you and I are going to start together. So if you scroll down to, there we go, plan for Monday, March 30th. So I've set this module so that you have to open each thing in order. So I can't just click in the middle and open. It won't work. I have to start at the top, okay? So you can start this anytime between now and tomorrow at 12. Our plan is to start live on Zoom. So a lot of teachers are teaching live on Zoom, and I don't want to do it for all 3 hours of class, but I would like to meet you for the first hour. So you are going to click on this link, use a computer with a camera if you can. You're going to meet up with me, bring your red book, and we're going to work on Unit 4. Okay, so that will be from 12 to 1. So please try this link in advance, make sure you can figure out how to do it, and then come meet me online on Monday. Okay, so that's going to be what we call synchronous. That means everybody together at the same time. The rest of this class you can do on your own. You just need to finish by Monday at 11 o'clock. So you're going to write in your online blue book. You are going to review and practice with the simple present, present progressive, and simple past using Kahoot. So we've used that in class a few times for practice quizzes and games. So now you're going to use Kahoot online on Canvas. Okay? And then you're going to do some more preparation with our 3 verb tenses. We're going to do a quiz on Wednesday on those 3 verb tenses, so everything's going to be preparation. So anytime you have questions, go ahead and send me a message. I am going to have online office hours, so you can learn more about that when you meet me on Monday. All right, good luck. I look forward to seeing you. Remember, as you move through the class, you just keep going down here, next, next, next. All right. See you tomorrow.